Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to share with you my experience of using Stripe for our business, and if you're someone who is running e-commerce business and you accept payments from international clients, and especially if you accept payments in different currencies, for example, let's say if you let your customers pay in Euro, USD, or Great Britain British pound, or maybe Australian dollars or Canadian dollars. So in the end of the day, when you're get these funds to your bank account, or when you want to get those funds to a bank account, they should be converted into your local currency. In my case, our business is also outside of United States, so basically we sell to Europe, we sell to United States, and at the point when we accept the payments, those payments should be converted into our local currency, which is Japanese yen, because our headquarters in Japan, so all funds go there. I just want to take one transaction and show you what would be A to Z commission for Stripe. So let's take a look at one transaction. So this transaction is for $219.48, which at the time when it arrived to our bank account been converted to 24,790 GPY. And if you look at the conversion rate at that date, so independent conversion rate, let's say by Google, so we can see that actually that amount should be equal to 25,333 and 2 GPY, which is instantly give us 2.1% of difference in conversion rate. So that's basically what Stripe charges you to convert your currency, to convert international currency into your local currency. And this number can fluctuate a little bit, because it also depends on international currency and your domestic currency, and how this ratio is fluctuating between those two currencies. And then we have fee, which is been taken from this transaction, and this fee will be 892 GPY, which actually give us 3.6% commission. And if you're basically put all those numbers together, you will see that total percent for this transaction will be around 6%, actually 5.7%. But again, currency can fluctuate, and that's where you can have a little bit of difference on what would be your total percent for each given transaction. So guys, I hope it's been useful. If so, let me know. If you have any questions, like this video, subscribe. In the following videos I will show you what would be the best payment system for your e-commerce business. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers, see you next one.